Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of a keto scone with you. I've used mulberry to make these. These are delicious. Mulberries are delicious too. In India, berries are available mostly only in the winters and this is the season for it. So I'm trying to make hay while sun shines or sun doesn't shine as much. So let's go ahead and see how I make this recipe. So I'm going to take 2 cups of almond flour here, to which I'm adding 1/3 cup of coconut flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1/4 cup of butter, a pinch of salt because my butter is salted, and 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Half a cup of powdered sweetener. I've used erythritol here and we're going to mix all of this together. So if you guys like, you can take whole almond flour in place of coconut flour. I'm going to write the substitution in the description, so check that out. Also, to make it a little moist, I have added 1 tablespoon of the egg white. So depending on your consistency, you can add a little bit more if you want. You want to make sure that the dough is such that it will hold together to a certain extent. Now to this I'm adding 1 cup of mulberries, and I've reserved like about 7 to 8 berries on the side, and I've added the rest of it to it, mixed it together. So our batter is ready. All I have to do is shape it into the scones shape and then put it in the oven. If you guys are liking this recipe, click the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell which is right next to it on all notifications to be notified every time that I add a new recipe. My recipes aren't reaching as many people, so I hope you guys support my channel. We're going to put this on a parchment paper or a silicone mat the way I'm using, and I'm going to make a circle out of it about 1 to 1.5 inch tall or thick. And I'm also trying to distribute the mulberries in such a way that each piece has some. You don't need to do that. You don't have to be that particular about it. Also, let me say that you can use any berries of your choice. So I would have used blueberries in this or raspberries. So anything works in this. I'm also scoring this to make pieces so that it holds together later and I don't have to cut it once it is set or cooked. I'm also brushing it with some of the leftover egg whites which will hold it together and also give it a brown color on top. I'm going to grind some more sweetener here. So I've taken 3 tablespoons and here I have some of the mulberry juice to which I'm adding the powdered sweetener and mixing it up, and I've also added 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice to give it that tart and sweet taste, and this is ready. In the meanwhile, our scones are ready. I've drizzled the glaze that we made on top of it. You can add much more than I added. Actually, the glaze adds a lot of flavor to it, so you can add a little more than I added. And I have taken 1 wedge out of it, and look at how beautiful it looks, and it was delicious. If you like the recipe, please give it a try and let me know in the comments section how it turned out. If you have any inputs or any adjustments that you would like to share, let me know in the comments section. There's information about all the ingredients and the gadgets that I use in my kitchen, and that information is also in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.